So I gotta figure out what the next step is. A lot of work to do, and I don't know what the most efficient way is to proceed. We will now pause for 15 minutes for a brief interlude. On the way from getting the barrels, or going to the barrels, I saw these doors out. I'll get them down and give you a better look. But I started thinking, wow, that'd be really nice to use windows, you know, lay them down sideways like windows. They're sliding glass doors. Lay them down like windows to you know, like across here, the front of the greenhouse, and I thought that'd be kind of interesting. But then I started thinking these windows are probably thermal protection windows, thermal guards, so they won't let light in, they won't let heat in. They might keep heat in, but they won't let light in, I don't think. I'm gonna take a good picture of them. Let's everybody look at them, and y'all just give me an idea what you think, whether I should use them or not. Anderson. It's the only mark on them that's legible. Can y'all read that? I can see it there, but I don't know if it's legible. Anyways, they're sliding glass windows. And crooked again. Sliding glass windows. You know, like what you'd have in your dining room or whatnot, or a nice living room. Let me know what you think. If you think I should use them in the greenhouse or not. I just don't know. Trying to see if I can feel. Is that in focus? I mean in line. Trying to see if I can feel. Yeah, you can see that. I'm trying to see if I can feel the sun through it. You know what I could do? I could lay it on the ground and see how it does. What do you think of that? Either way, somebody leave me a comment. Good idea or no? I don't know. Somebody's got to be smarter than me out there with windows, 'cause I know nothing about windows. They open and close sometimes, I think. Oh, and they break. They break if you throw a rock at them, or a brick. You throw a brick at a window, it'll break. Here, watch.
yeah, instead of watering the compost pile today, I'm putting in the water that I'm using to rinse this. What was in the barrels was propylene glycol, and it's kosher. So no animal products are in it or anything like that, and there's no petroleum products in it or anything like that. It's basically used as like a cleaning or additive agent for kosher medications, applications like balms and things of that nature. So I'm adding that into the compost pile instead of watering today. I had a choice to get removable lids or non-removable lids, and I figured since I'm going to be using it for a closed water system, I figured factory seals are probably better than mechanical seals. Obviously I'm going to have an end barrel, so I figure I'm going to leave this cap on until I find it necessary to actually remove it. I'm assuming that the twist cap that goes in them is actually tight, so we're just going to leave that. They might weigh 10 pounds. Full 55-gallon drum.
55 gallons, 1 gallon of water equals 8.34 pounds. 55 times 8.34, 7, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 3, 4, 457. We'll call it 450 pounds. Because they're not going to be full, obviously. It's only going to be up to here. So we'll say probably 430 to 450 pounds each. Oh, I don't know if y'all saw the note I made about me having a troll. It's not so much that I have a troll. I had someone who expressed their opinion, only I didn't understand until I asked them about it. They called me a moron because I'm building a greenhouse in the shade. And you know what? They're absolutely right. I'm a moron. What kind of flipping nut builds a greenhouse? Okay. That's just stupid. Dummy. So, there's my workbench. As soon as I get the neighbor to help me put a pallet on top of it. Anyway, so I guess I'm going to have to stop filming at the hours that I do. Because obviously it makes me a moron. But it is, what is it, 3:20? It is 3:20 and it is in full shade. Look at me crooked again. What is it with the crookedness? Come on. It is 3:20 and I'm in the shade, so. Moron I am. Yes. So I guess I'm gonna have to start filming like, you know, between like 8 and noon. When I actually have sun here. Oh well. It's a little high, but I don't want to bend. Put the table saw up too high, but anyway, see if I can get some work done on the greenhouse today. That's enough for setting up things. Kind of windy out and crooked. Oh. Now watch me move it. So I'm kind of wondering, is this an eating session? Or is this a making more bumblebees session? Look at that guy. He's been in a fight. Huh. He's following me. Oh, and I just looked at the other side of that bumblebee fiasco going on over there, and it looks like they were turned around. They're not. It's actually a da-na-na-na-na. So I apologize to all the kiddies who might be watching. I certainly did not mean to put any vulgarity on the internet. We will now pause for 15 minutes for a brief interlude.